What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to log in with Firebase. So the last tutorial, we learned how to sign up, and now we're going to learn how to log in. First thing is first, I want to go ahead and visit the main activity.java page. This is where we created the functionality for the sign up. Now, if you go ahead and click where it says Firebase, database, get instance, etc. You notice I put users for the child, but users is supposed to be our path. So we have to write users here where it says get reference. And then for the child, we're actually going to have the ID for the user. So every user has a unique ID. So in order to create that, is Firebase auth dot get instance dot get current user dot get UI ID. So now when we save our information once we sign up, this is how it's going to look on Firebase. So as you can see, I have two different users and they have their own ID. We have Stephanie and we have John. So next thing is we're going to go ahead and create our login functionality. I've already created the login design for you. I have the email and I have the password, and I also have this create account text here. So if you click on that, it will bring you to the sign up page. And then also, once we finish logging in, it's going to bring us to our profile page where we will have our name displayed, our email, our age, and we will also have a sign out button. So, enough of the talking, and let's get it popping, guys.